In the previous video, we understood the object snap tracking, also called OTRAC in AutoCAD 2027. We learned how object snap tracking helps us to align new points from existing snap points without creating any construction lines. Now, in this video, we'll understand one of the most important concepts in AutoCAD, layers. Layers help us to organize our drawing. For example, in the floor plan, walls can be one layer, doors can be another layer, windows can be another layer. Furniture can be another layer. Dimension and text also can be another layer. Hi, I'm Lipan and welcome back to Cadelyx. AutoCAD 2027 made simple. Let's understand the layers in a very simple way. Layers are like transparent sheets placed on top of each other. Imagine you are drawing a house plan on a transparent paper. One paper has walls, another paper has doors, another paper has window, one paper has furniture. When you place all papers together, you'll see the full drawing. But if you want, you can hide one paper and show only other layers. AutoCAD layer works similar way. So, the simple way to remember is this. Layers help you to separate and organize different parts of the drawing. You do not change the shape or objects. They help you to manage drawings better. Layers are very important because AutoCAD drawings can be complex. If everything is on one layer, the drawing becomes difficult to control. For example, if walls, doors, windows, text, dimension, furniture, and hatches are mixed together, editing becomes confusing. But if each type of object has their own layer, the drawing becomes much cleaner. You can hide furniture if you don't need it. You can lock walls so they don't move by mistake. You can give different colors to different objects. You can control line thickness and line type. So remember, layers make your drawings clean, organized, and professional. Let's make a simple floor plan, for example. In the floor plan, we can create layers like wall layer, door layer, windows layer, furniture layer, dimension layer, text layer, hatch layer, center line layer. Now, when we draw walls, we keep the wall layers active. When we draw doors, we keep the door layer active. When we add dimensions, we use a dimension layer. This way, every object goes to the correct place. The drawing becomes much easier to edit later. Layers are mainly found in the Home tab. Go to the Home tab, then look at the Layers panel. Here you will see the Layers tools. You can change the current layer. You can open the Layer Properties Manager. You can turn on or off the current layer. You can lock the layers. You can manage layer colors, line style, line weights. The main place for controlling layer is called Layer Properties Manager. To open Layers Properties Manager, go to the Home tab. Then go to the Layers panel. Click on Layer Properties. You can also type LA and press Enter. So remember, LA opens the Layer Property Manager. This is where you create, rename, delete, and manage layers. When you open it, you will see the list of layers in the drawing area. At the beginning, you may only see the default layer, usually called it Layer 0. Layer 0 is a default layer in AutoCAD. When you open a new drawing, AutoCAD already has the layer 0. If you start the drawing without creating new layers, your objects may go on to the layer 0. As a beginner, it is okay for practice. But in professional drawings, we usually create proper layers. For example, instead of putting everything in layer 0, we create a layer for walls, doors, windows, furnitures, tags, dimensions, and so on. So remember, layer 0 is a default layer, but do not keep your full drawing into the layer 0. Use proper layers to stay organized. Now let's create a new layer. Type LA and press Enter. Layer Properties Manager opens. Click the New Layer button. AutoCAD create a new layer. Now gives a name. For example, type wall. Now create another layer and name it doors. Create another layer and name it windows. You can create as many layers as you need, but don't create random layers. Create layers based on the objects in your drawing. Good layer makes the drawing easier to understand. Each layer can have their own color. For example, you can make the wall layer white or black. You can make the door layer yellow. You can make the windows layer cyan. You can make the furniture layer green. The exact color depends on the drawing standards. To change the layer color, open the Property Manager. Find the layer, click on the color box, choose the color, then click OK. Now objects on the layer can display with the same color. So remember, layer colors help you to identify the objects quickly. Creating a layer is not enough. You also need to set the correct layer as a current. The current layer means the active layer. Whenever you draw next, will go on that layer. For example, if the wall layer is current, new lines will be created on that wall layer. If the door layer is current, new door object will be created on the doors layer. To set the layer current, go to the layer drop down in the layers panel. Select the layer you want. Now that layer becomes the current. So remember, current layer controls where the new objects are created. Let's understand this with a simple example. Set the wall layer as current. Now, draw a rectangle or some walls lines. These objects are created on the wall layer. Now, set the doors layers as a current. Draw a small door symbol or simple door line. That object is created on the door layer. Now, set the windows layer as current. Draw a windows line. Now your drawing is organized. Walls are on the walls layer, doors are on the doors layer, windows are on the windows layer. This is how you should build professional drawings step by step. Sometimes you may draw an object on the wrong layer. Don't worry, you can move it to the correct layer. Select the object. Now go to the layer drop down in the layers panel. Choose the correct layer. For example, if a door was accidentally drawn on the walls layer, select the door. Then choose the door layer from the layer list. Now the object belongs to the door layer. So remember, if an object is on the wrong layer, select it and change the layer. You don't need to erase and redraw it. One useful layer control is on and off. If you turn a layer off, object on that layer becomes hidden. They are not deleted. They are only hidden for view. For example, if you draw a furniture and you don't want to see in the moment, you can turn off the furniture layer. The furniture disappears from the screen. Turn the layer back on and furniture appear again. So remember, turning a layer off hides the object on the layer. It does not erase them. Another useful option is lock. If you lock a layer, object on that layer cannot be edited easily by mistake. For example, if your wall layout is final and you want to lock the wall layer, now you can still see the walls, but you cannot accidentally move, erase, or do anything with it. This is very useful in the complex drawings. So remember, lock protects a layer from accidentally editing. Use it when some parts of the drawing should stay safe. You may also see an option called freeze. Freeze is similar to turning the layer off because it hides the objects. For beginners, you can think of freeze like stronger hidden option. In beginner drawings, freezing layers can help to improve performance and control visibility. For now, keep it simple. Off hides the layer. Freeze also hides a layer and it's useful for larger drawings. We will understand advanced layer controls later. At the beginner level, focus on the creating layers, setting the current layers, changing the colors, turning layers off, and locking layers. Layers can also control the object appearance. Three important layer properties are color, line type, and line weight. Color controls the color of the object. Line type controls whether the line is continuous, dashed, center line, and so on. Line weight controls how thick or thin the line appears. For example, wall may see is a thicker line weight. Center line may use the center line type. Hidden objects may use the dashed lines. This is one reason layers are so powerful. They don't only organize objects, they also help control how the drawing looks like. One common beginner mistake is drawing everything on layer 0. That makes drawing difficult to manage later. Another mistake is forgetting to set the correct current layer before drawing. For example, you can think like drawing walls, but the door layer is active. Another mistake is erasing objects when you are only wanted to hide them. If you only want to hide the objects, turn off that layer. Do not erase them. Another mistake is changing object color manually instead of using the layer. As a beginner, try to control colors through layers. This keeps your drawing more organized. Let's quickly summarize the layer. Let's help you to organize different parts of the drawing. You can create layers for walls, doors, windows, furniture, dimensions, text, edge, and other objects. You can open Layer Property Manager by typing LA and pressing Enter. You can create new layers. You can change the layer colors. You can set the current layer. You can move an existing object to another layer. You can turn off or on the layers. You can also lock layers to protect the object from accidentally editing it. And remember, layers make your drawing more clean, organized, and professional. Before we move to the next video, do the small practice. Open a new drawing in AutoCAD. Type LA and press enter. Create 3 new layers. Name them walls, doors, and windows. Give each layer a different color. Now set the wall layer as current. Draw a simple rectangle as a room. Now set the door layer as a current. Draw a small door opening or a door line. Now set the windows layer as current. Draw a small window line. After that, try turning the door layer off. The door should disappear. Turn it back on. Now look at the wall layer. Try selecting or edit the wall objects. Practice this slowly so you understand how the layer control objects. So this was the layers in AutoCAD 2027. As a beginner, just remember that layers are used to organize our drawings. Wall should be on the wall layer. Doors should be on the doors layer. Windows should be on the windows layer. Text and dimension should be on their own layers. Layers help us to control visibility, control, line type, line thickness, and editing safety. In the next video, we understand the layer properties in more details. We learn how color, line type, line weight, lock, freeze, and on-off settings work inside the layers. So in the next lesson, we understand the layers even more clear and useful for professional AutoCAD drawings. I'll see you in the next lesson.